everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're back. For those that are new, hi, I am Show Me Mama, or you can call me Monique, whichever you prefer. Anyway, let's get started. Today I will be reviewing Kylie Summer Collection eyeshadow palette. Oh, I love it. I love the colors, they're amazing. As you can see on my eyes, I recently applied it. Now if you like this look, stay tuned and I'll show you how to apply it. Anyway, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the eyeshadow palette. Anyway, it has 14, as you can see, look right here, 14 shades. Yes, 14 eyeshadow shades, and they're coming in matte and shimmery, and I love all the colors. They're very vibrant on your skin tone. Anyway, it comes with a mirror, as you can tell right here, and most of all, I love the color. It's just yellow and of course orange. Beautiful. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started with Kylie Summer Collection eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go ahead with the this color shade, which I really love, and see how that turns out. If not, we're gonna always switch it. We'll just go ahead and testing out these eyeshadow shades that she has. So I'm gonna go ahead with this one, and I'm gonna apply that to my eyelid crease. That's a pretty color. Okay, I'm gonna go in a slow motion, back and forward, and circular motion, and see how that looks. Go ahead and get some more. Make sure you tap off all this excess powder off your brush. I like the color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. This is pretty good. I love it. It's not as bright, but I want it I want it to pop, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this shade onto it right there. I'm using the Sigma E40 brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that one, tap off the excess powder. Ooh, look at that. It's very bright. Beautiful color. So I'm gonna keep on doing that until I have enough of that color on that shade on my eyelid. I mean my eye crease, and keep going back and forward. I'll go ahead and do the other side. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and then take the Sigma E25 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this nice little kind of brownish color. I'm not sure, but it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna try auburn, but anyway, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna get a little bit of that, and I'm gonna go tap it off, and I'm gonna go again in the eye crease right there, back and forth. Tap it out right there, and push it. So pretty. Make sure you blend it right, because if not, as I said before, it's gonna stay there and it's not gonna look pretty. Keep going. Tap it in the outer corner and then go back and forth in your eye crease. Oh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Really, and it actually shows up on my eye crease. I just love it. Beautiful color. So keep going back and forth until you get a good amount of eyeshadow on there. Ooh, I love it. Really do love it though. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my eyelid, and I usually kind of want to have a smaller brush because I don't have a lot of eyelid on. You can tell it's very narrow. Anyway, so I'm gonna use, let's see, I think I'm gonna use this one, the E32 Sigma, and see what happens. All you have to do is just tap it this way, you know, you don't smoosh it with the other eyeshadow that you place in your outer corner or inner corner of your eyes. So I kind of tap it back and forth, and if you need more, you apply some more, but don't go back and forth like we did with the eye crease earlier. Ooh, looks nice. So I'm gonna apply that, the same color, apply the other eye, and just tap back and forth. And sometimes it's really hard because you really wanna see your eye, but you sometimes have to close it in order to get the eyeshadow on there. And you can always go back and, you know, use your blending brush so that all your eyeshadow that you applied could blend evenly with each other. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my let's see, my E40 brush again, my blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the, you know, the shade that I had before, which was this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back and start blending it to give it that even look right there. Just back and forth, circular motion. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I want to blend it again, so I'm gonna use this blending brush again, the E25, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this one that I used earlier because I wanted more. Oh, look at that. Keep going back and forth. Alright, I did the other side, put eyeliner on the other side, but I'm using the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. There we go. Evened out. And I have a hooded eye, so it's kind of hard to put your eyeliner, but I like the way it looks. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, see what you guys think. Then I'm gonna come back and do my lips and add some lashes, and then we're finished. I get some under my eye too, some eyeliner, and see what we're working with. All right. let's put on some eyeliner underneath my eye. And I'm using the waterproof cream color from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the color Jet. So let's get started. I'm applying that on my waterline. Believe me, it can be very tricky. Alright, so now I applied the eyeliner, and we're gonna go and add some eyelashes and lipstick and a little bit of blush and so on. Alright, I added some eyelashes and I added some setting powder on my face, and I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Yep, I used it and I set my face, and I also bake my under eye. So what I did is I'm gonna go ahead and use some blush, add some blush to my nice little cheeks. Anyway, so I'm using the, let's see, the Chanel 99 Rose, and I love it, and it's great, and you can tell I've been using it quite a bit. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it right there. So what you can do is you can smile, so this way you can know where to add a little bit of blush. I don't like to add a lot. Alright, next, to give your face a nice little highlight, you can either put it on your cheekbones or your nose or your chin, upper of your lip, to give it a nice little glow, to make it look nice when you go outside. Alright, so what I use is, as a highlighter, I use the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio, right there. I love it. It's a really, really, really nice light feeling, and it's not sticky or anything, it's just light. So I use that. So all you have to do is I use the M500 Morphe brush. I just get a little bit right there, tap it, take the excess powder off, and you just go on it like this, gently. And then you just rub it, rub it, rub it. I just kind of like rub it lightly. You go do the other side the same way. Really nice. You can do it right here to give you that glow. Right there on the top of your nose. You will be looking great when you go out. Anyway, I will come back and show you the look. This is the final look. I hope you like it. Anyway, I love the eyeshadow palette. It's amazing. The colors are extremely vibrant on my eyelid, and I love it. Thank you for watching Kylie Summer Collection Review Palette with me. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.